Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel here. So guys, everyone know about the email marketing. So email marketing nothing but suppose simple. I'll show first of all. Email marketing is different ways are there. Previous I can give the campaign will be Gmail as campaign I'll show to the in a particular Gmail. So how is the creating for free email marketing to send the customers? What is the particular price the email marketing? In this purpose, we have to use for Mailchimp. Most of the people using for Mailchimp and previous Mailchimp and this Mailchimp completely changing for particular layout. So what are the price they given? So how much they free give the emails? In a free up to 2000 contacts, one audience list, here 50,000. Previous 10,000 will be given. Now will be given only for 2000 contact will be sent per month. Previous they can create a number of audience list. What is mean by audience list? Audience is nothing but we can sending for two email ID purpose. Who will be sending the two from? Which is the email ID two? That all will be nothing but audience. So how many audience will be added? Only one audience. So we can one audience we can add a number of emails. The email purpose to send the mails. So how we can receive that particular mails by the emailers? I'll show you here in the Gmail. Just will be format purpose. If you go to promotions, this will be certain Gmail ads will be created for Gmail. So here promotions, here any kind of people will sending email promotions. See the promotion purpose. These all emails will be sending for this kind of options. So this will be different templates are there. You can using for different templates. You can send by mails. So presently your story in this they'll sending by different. Now I'll sending for mail by using Mailchimp. First of all, we can start the login. When login time, we can use the particular login details. Already have account is there. If you need account, you can click for account option will be there. Just here, I'm login my option. Keep me login. Select by login option. In this login, there's a compulsory asking for your OTP. There's a you have to verify with your mobile number when you log in for Mailchimp. Just I'm login here. After enter OTP, the open will be here. Everything. So your audience, I'm already intimated. First of all, audience is more important. So that is called I'm adding for audience will be here. Previous I'm creating for so many audience will be here. But right now is the only accept for one audience list. How many audience list? One audience. So right now I'm selecting only for one audience list will be here. That will be I'm sending for my Digital Rakesh audience list here. Everything. Audience list purpose. Which mail you can send for two emails that all will be audience. If you need more audience, click for the upgrade now. So this all will be here. So in this, how many emails? Three emails are there that all will be related. Three emails will be added by the in a particular option. So here, what are the emails will be added by in this option. So in our list, we have the two email IDs are there. You can add few more email IDs. So audience list is only one. As a free of email marketing, you can sending per month 2000 emails and audience list will be only for one. In a one audience list, we can add n number of emails. Suppose you're adding today 10. Tomorrow you can add the 10. Again, we can add it for 200 also. The simple technique, add your contacts, import contact the option will be where then select the audience option, click the audience button. Into our contact, the option will be import contact. Import contact will be copy paste is there and upload file is there. Upload file will be text document and Excel sheet CSV format. I'm adding for another email ID. Click for continue this. No need any click for option. So just here, I'm adding this option will be here. So here, continue to tag, continue to match here, and finish import, and complete import. Here, view contacts. Previous two is there. Now adding will be three contacts. Audience nothing but we can add by the two email ID purpose. From will be which email you sign up, that is a from email ID. Is it clear? Which email ID you sign up, that is a from email ID. Two nothing but audience future. Where the showing audience, only one audience will be create. After one audience, click for view contacts, add the n number of contacts. The option will be import contact. Right now, in a three emails, I'm send the mail. How many email will send the free of cost? 2000 emails. But right now, I have only three. Remaining emails are we can send anytime per month. Next one, how we can creating campaign in the email marketing Mailchimp. In this, go to campaign option. In this campaign, create a campaign. In the campaign, lot of campaigns are there. But our campaign is email, customer journey, email template, multi-channel design, landing page, survey, ad form here, Facebook, Instagram, social post, sign up form. But here I'm going to wear email marketing. Select previous format, this format completely change. Previous and this will be completely change. Now we can writing for in this begin. Next is a just a campaign name, just for we can know idea purpose. We can know idea purpose. Here I have the adding for my audience list. Where is the audience list? The name is called Digital Rakesh. So three email IDs done. Two save. From will be automatically selected. From will be automatically selected. Add the subject. Learn free. Digital marketing classes. Save. Next is a contain. Contain complete design email that is called classic builder, new builder. Anything you can select. In the classic builder, they're using for empty template also. Means plain template. They're providing for plain template. Which is template you can select here. See this. Every option. Upgrade use. Upgrade. 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 So this is a free. Free. Upgrade. 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 Free and free. Here is the empty template will be complete free option. So always I'm selecting for empty template. So template will be open. Here you can adding for number of icons, everything your wish. What are the previous content? Here, edit. So I can writing here. Here one more. Anything will be link will be clicked. This I'm give by hyperlink. For the purpose of hyperlink, any content will be clicked. They go to my open with the my website. Here we can delete option. So here will be options are there. Style, image button, social button. Anything will be here. Every option we can add by pages in this border. Everything will be here. And header, body, footer, mobile style, and comment box. Here is every options are here. Shade button, image, everything. You can add image. This is all your wish. Come on, drag and drop. Upload. Upload option. We can go for it. Where is your logo? You can add by logo also here. So just I'm adding for image. Here I'm gonna upload by image. Pattern are very easy, but understanding is more important. Is it clear? And continue. Anything is mistake, compulsory they give you the notification will be here. Just here you added the first procedure will be two nothing but your audience go to audience, create one audience list. In one audience you can create n number of emails, and two from will be which email you sign up. There's a from email ID. Subject is common and content. When tick mark is done, no need to worry about these options. Is it showing any apostrophe mark? We can't do anything. Will be nothing but the email campaign will be sending two procedure. In the edit of design, the using number of templates are there, but in a previous, every template will be free. Going on, the template will be going to the paid option. The template will go to the paid option. So that is called, we can use the free one. So that is a better one. Select the plain template. You can design as you wish, which template you will be comfortable. You can design yourself. After that, you can email purpose. We have two options, schedule and send option. We can go to schedule one. We can selecting date, send time optimization, send a specific time here. Or else we can click for send now immediately. 3 subscriber, send now. Finally, if you send the email, the give notification will be I5. You will be finally subscribed by every option. This will be can tracking mobile also. There's a mobile version, but you can tracking this campaign by using desktop. What is the campaign will be here? You can check this option. If you free one, this will be shown to the customer by Mailchimp option. Why? Because you're using for free account, no? So we can't do the any skip will be not possible. Here subscribe and past issues, translate and RSS. Any campaign, we can go to the complete campaign structure of dashboard. Where is the campaign created here? Just to open it, we'll check track how many send emails in the email, open rate and click rate. Everything we can check by here. So this will be performance will be checked in the particular two email IDs. They will open on a particular email IDs. So this is the we have to check for the every options. So that purpose we have to receive by email, Mailchimp import. They give audience import file will be done. So anyone receive email by receive by in this option here. I receive email along with every option along with content. If anybody click the my content, you may not display slow display image. Sometime will be take some time. We'll click here. They go to our my channel. People will be watch our videos. They will be subscriber channels. These are nothing but to receive the email marketing to the particular audience. Careful to we can do this particular email marketing. So if you do one mistake, we'll at the Gmail or at the Yahoo. If you one email is missing, .com also missing, the email going to the not receive the particular customers. Customer, they open, they click or not, everything they give information by the particular tracking information. So that is called the people using for email marketing. Email marketing main, the major important is called if you how many emails you can send, how many people is open, and what are the links they will be click. That all information give by the particular option. So that is the particular performance here. They click for two, they click for one. So this is the particular performance. So these all option will given by the Mailchimp email marketing campaign. Your remember audience is called email adding purpose. You can as a free account only you can add the one audience. In one audience, you can add the n number of email accounts. Second thing, after done email account adding, go to the campaign, start the email marketing campaign. First select the audience feature. This is a two. After that, from email ID automatically selected. After the subject, fourth one, create the template as a free of cost templates. Select the plain template, start it, and post the content on your particular email marketing. Design the template, and after that, you can go for schedule and send the immediate option. Particular time you can schedule, they will show the here. So the all will be important to download email also will be flexible. So this is nothing but to set up email marketing on your particular website or YouTube channel to people reaching for audience to getting for subscriber and getting for website traffic purpose. Use it. The emails you have to purchase somewhere who will be provide email address and start it. Others who will be sending emails on your mail ID, just download it. Use email ID by your Gmail contacts. So this all future will be given by the which one? Mailchimp email marketing campaign. How many emails will be free? 2000 emails free for every month. Previous 10,000 emails will be free in previous year. This year they will changing 2000 content will be sent free of cost every month. Follow this future. Anyone facing problem to set up the Mailchimp, comment me. Definitely will be support on your particular website and YouTube channels. Thank you. Thank you for watching.